As you sip on the gelatin trick mixture, you can almost feel your digestive system sighing in relief, like a gentle morning breeze on a summer day, slowly waking up your insides and getting everything moving in harmony. It's as if your body is dropping that heavy, sluggish feeling, and you start to notice the subtle changes in how you feel, the energy boost, the mental clarity. The gelatin trick is all about simplicity, using just 3 basic ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen: gelatin, lemon juice, and water. My friend, it's amazing how something so straightforward can have such a profound impact on your overall wellness. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. The gelatin trick is more than just a drink. It's a ritual that sets you up for success, and the best part is, it's incredibly easy to make, with just those 3 ingredients. To get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in the description below for a detailed walkthrough, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips from our community. Head to the description now and start experiencing the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself, and don't forget to share your own gelatin trick story with us.